The light and the type of material that I've used and the configuration of the material, shadows and making decisions about painting things black, painting things white in order to pick up light or to lose forms. That's all coming into its own now, but it should be the case because I have been working with the space in mind for such a long time. But it's even better than I hoped in terms of how incredible the space is looking, and opening blinds that I think have been shut for many years as far as I can tell. The space feels really fresh, and there's loads of possibilities because I've got a wonderful big window with natural light coming in, and I've got two darker areas that I can play with artificial light, so that's still all to do, and that does affect the work, particularly with the nature of this kind of material. That'll affect it hugely.